Hello, welcome to HLC. Today we will introduce you to terminal.
Terminal is an important electronic connecting device in the electronic component system. A terminal is usually made of metal and encapsulated in an insulating material. Its primary function is to provide a convenient, fast, and reliable electrical connection that allows wires or other conductive parts to be easily connected and disconnected. As connectors, the terminals are small in size but in high demand, and commonly used with conductive materials such as brass and copper. Therefore, we use high-speed stamping machine, which can stamp out more than 300 terminals per minute. To produce these terminals, the round terminal requires excellent electrical conductivity, and therefore use copper as the raw material. Based on the design to guarantee accurate stamping, we set the mold position, height, and we also precisely tailor the parameters, including the striking force, speed, and dwell time, to subtle differences in materials and wear and tear of equipment and molds from previous production. Once the material is fed into the stamping machine, the high rigidity cast iron alloy structure of the machine makes it maintain good shock resistance and durability under the high speed and huge impact force. The high precision gate rails and balancing device make the punches of the molds keep the movement precise and stable, so that the dimensional accuracy and the consistency of the products during the whole production process can be guaranteed, so it can produce lots of high-quality terminal parts in a high efficiency, high precision, and stable manner. These fork terminals are also made of copper. Through automated feeders, the material is fed smoothly and evenly into the machine, and in it, the punch is driven by pneumatic craft shift transmission, applying high-speed impacts to the material placed in the mold, causing it to undergo plastic deformation within a short period of time. To achieve the process of punching, forming, stretching, and other procedure, the final molded plane terminals are ready for the next step of procedure. A complete terminal has a metal part for conductivity and a PVC cover for insulation. Non-flammable PVC keeps the metal safe and stops it from touching other conductive parts. We need to assemble them. For high-volume production in factories, automated assembly saves a lot of labor, time, and money. And each type of terminal has its own assembly solutions. Taking the two terminals just mentioned as an example, the insulating plastic is uniformly fed into the assembly machine in the form of a strip through the disc discharge rank, while the terminals through the vibration disc to make its assembly and upward uniform arrangement. In the first assembly module, through the camera to detect whether the size of the terminal is qualified, and then drive to the assembly end. That terminals will be inserted into the plastic belt and pressed. The whole process is fully automatic. Corresponding to this, there are terminal strips formed in stamping and plastic insulation, neatly lined up by a vibrating plate. They are completely assembled by inserting the plastic in the metal strip. Based on customer needs and product designs, we offer customized designs and develop production plans that follow the principles of efficiency, low cost, and high quality. At HLC, we have a professional, efficient team that provides customized production solutions, quick quotes, and strives to offer excellent supply services and top-notch products.